welcome to Piano Video Lessons. I was up early this morning arranging the Wellerman because I've been getting a lot of requests to do tutorials on this really popular sea shanty. So if you've been wanting to play it, now's your chance. I've got 4 levels, and if you just leave a comment in the description, I'm going to be doing some tutorials on these levels. But for now, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on the levels and the sheet music. So I'll be showing you a quick sample of how those go. I've got easy beginner piano with a really nice basic left hand in the key of D minor, which doesn't have very many black keys. I've also got a chord version in the easy key of D minor. I've got a sheet music chord version of the original key that the tick-tock is in if you want to tick-tock along. And I've also got a lead sheet in the original key. So if you want to arrange the left hand in some other fun way, then you can use the lead sheet. So I'm just going to demo these in this video, and if you would like a tutorial, just leave a comment here on the video and let me know which one you want me to start with, because obviously 4 levels, 1 person. So go ahead and enjoy this, and we'll see you soon. Alright, so in this easy piano version, you can see that the left hand is quite simple. It's just holding whole notes, and it's written in D minor, so I'm just going to be mostly using white keys with a B flat. But this is not a tutorial, this is a demo, so I'm just going to do the verse and the first chorus. Here it goes. And of course, all the other verses are in here as well. Next, we're going to go over to the version that's in D minor, that is the chord version. Here's what it looks like. So you see the left hand now has chords written in, but we're still in D minor. So here's the original, here's the first verse and the chorus. So this is the sheet music version. It's written in the original key. We're written now in C minor. So you're going to see there's 3 flats in this key. And we get a natural in there on line 3. But here we go. The verse 1 and chorus. 3 flats. Now, last version we're going to do is the lead sheet version, and the lead sheet doesn't use any chord specifics in the left hand. It's going to have mix and match do-it-yourself chords. So it's different every time I play it, and I'm just going to go ahead and see what version comes out this time. So that is a quick rundown of the 4 levels of the Wellerman that I'm going to be putting the link in the description to the sheet music if you want to actually pick up the sheets. And soon I'll be doing tutorials on those levels. So let me know which one you would like to see first. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys real soon.